Hello, Justin.
Hello.
Come and tell me about the project.
So this is the output of an analog digital converter. So right now this is just the standard, just the output of my waveform generator. So if I run it, you can see how it's the waveform's going between 0 and 3. It's really fast, so it's hard to see. But it's coming in through an I2C communication onto the board. Then 12 bits of accuracy are then worked on internally, and it spits it out with the decimal.
Can you show the other display also?
Yeah, I gotta recompile it real quick. Here, take that out, comment out that, and do that. And as you can even change the waveform. So if I do a square wave, it then shows it as the square. And if I can do a triangle, and you can see it's a triangle.
Awesome.